here with Lightning and
Arthur Wolstenholme.
we're here to talk about the new electric supercar. So first of all, why an electric supercar?
Well, electric power gives you phenomenal performance. You get all the torque at the very low end right from zero, so you've got a very, very startling acceleration. And of course it's very friendly to the atmosphere. The Lightning GT is purely electric. It has a set of batteries, 44 kilowatt hour pack, and the car will go about 150 usable miles on a charge. If you drive it if you less aggressively from that point of view, it will go somewhere 200 miles, but a usable miles of 150.
So how long does it take to charge one of these?
Well, the technology we've got in this car is rather special. You can charge it overnight with a 13 amp socket, which most people will probably do, but also you can charge it in less than an hour by using the DC to DC shadow mode system. The technology is very different from any other electric car in respect that you can actually charge it commercially in as little as 10 minutes, but you need a very high power 3-phase power source to do that. But it's a technology that we've got on board is very special.
Fantastic. So hopefully the future of motorsport then.
Indeed so, yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.